This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden. Welcome home to a completely updated and restored 4-bed 2.5-bath Tumwater Hill home. At nearly 3,000 square feet, bright and airy feel mixes old-world charm with modern finishes. Updates include all kitchen and bathrooms, restored 1940s hardwood floors, new texture and paint throughout, and new tile floors in the bathrooms. Basement partially finished has potential for great separate living quarters, so many options in this large home. All of these features are located in the Tumwater School District. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206-406-6357.